Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy penny stocks on the Fidelity app. First, you'll need to ensure your Fidelity account is properly set up for this type of trading. This often involves acknowledging the higher risks associated with penny stocks. Navigate to the trading section within the app and prepare to search for your desired security. Before you can trade, confirm your account is approved for penny stocks. Fidelity has specific rules, so check your profile settings. Remember, these stocks are highly speculative and can lead to substantial losses. It's wise to only invest capital you can afford to lose. Always understand the company behind the stock. Once your account is ready, use the search bar to find the penny stock by its ticker symbol. When placing your order, always opt for a limit order instead of a market order. This ensures you buy at or below your specified price. Double-check the quantity and price before confirming your trade to avoid errors. After your purchase, actively monitor your penny stock's performance. These investments are known for extreme volatility, so be prepared for quick price swings. Don't forget to set realistic profit targets and stop-loss points to protect your capital. For more in-depth research and reading on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.